Alrighty, you'll see that we've got the panel modeled up as per the customer's requirement. We've got the text shown in there. Remember, we can center that and orientate it as required, and I can switch that on and off using a suppress. Right, I'm going to create a sketch on the back face here, and I've already pre-created a little block which I'm going to place onto the sketch. You'll see that I can just place these wherever I like. I'm not worried about dimensions, and I can just put these down as and where I feel fit. Right, to finish up my sketch, I'm now going to use the rectangular sketch profile as a cutout for the LED block. So you see I've selected those centers. I'm going to tell it to cut and go down 4mm. Right, so those are in. They're going to add a fillet to the feature, so basically to all of those cutouts, a 0.2mm feature fillet just for a cutter edge in the holes. That's quite realistic. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is basically I'm going to take, I'm going to just switch those sketches back on, and I'm going to now go in and create some components from my sketches. So very quickly I click on Make Components, choose the sketch, it highlights the sketch components. I tell it that I want to create a standard assembly template, and I say OK. Right, all that does is it adds the sketches into my assembly as their own components. I can then go and edit these, and I can go and place a component at the origin. So I'm just going to go and browse to a standard LED that I've got modeled up. So there it is. I can accept that, and you'll see it places it straight into the center of all of those sketches. So now I have my LEDs placed on my panel in the cutout that I've already created based on that original sketch. I can go into that sketch and I can edit it. So I can go and grab that circle there, for instance, and just drag it to a new position. I could do that by editing a dimension as well if I had dimensioned them. And I update that, and you'll see that the LED has moved to the center of the circle.